We're not going to take too much time making this video. I'm just going to show you how I installed my front Proline bumper and my stock back bumper. Here's the part number if you're interested. First, we're going to cut out the plastic molding with just a pair of scissors. Once you have that piece cut off, you can stick that piece into the actual bumper. They send you 4 mounting screws with this item. You will need a 2.5mm hex. Once you have all 4 screws tightened up, you can go ahead and remove the old bumper. You will also be using a 2.5mm hex on this. You will have the 2 screws in front as shown. You will also have 2 more screws in the back. I don't know if you can see it over there on the right hand side, but that's how I got to that part. And the same is on the opposite side. After you have the old one off, the process is the same and repeat, putting the new one on. You have 2 sizes on your stock screws. The long screw will go in front. Once the front is all tightened up, we'll move to the back. I only ordered a stock replacement bumper for the back because the original one was beat up. This is literally the same process. 2 screws up front, 2 screws in back. Same thing as front bumper. Long screws go in front, short screws go in back. Here's an example how I got to the back screws. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.